Hello students, I hope you all are fine and doing well in your studies. Right? Today we are going to move to the next part of the chapter, that is of the chapter number 3, that is fiber to fabric. Topics that we have already covered in the previous class was what are the various varieties of fabric, right? What are the various varieties of fabric that we have discussed? Mainly we use cotton, jute, then we use polyester, right? And silk and wool as well. Now we'll be discussed, and then after we have discussed the types of fiber. What are the different types of fiber? Where we have discussed about natural fiber, wherein we have discussed about in natural fiber there are plants as well as animal fibers are there. And along with that the other type of fiber, that is synthetic fiber, is what we have seen. Right? Today we will be discussing in this chapter, that is in the next part, that is plant fibers. Okay. We are only discussing here is we are going to discuss is plant fibers. Animal fibers we are going to discuss in the next year, right? Standard number 7, right? So plant fibers, the main plant fibers are cotton. Cotton is one of the main plant fiber, right, that we generally use. Where do we use plant fiber? The plant fiber we use, cotton fiber generally we use in ऑयल लैम्प्स. ऑयल लैम्प्स मीन्स दिया, हम दिया करते हैं ना भगवान की पूजा के वक्त, तो उसके अंदर वी सी अ वीक. वीक मीन्स जो वाट हम लगाते, राइट, डिवेट, राइट, दैट इज कॉल्ड, दैट इज व्हाट वीक इट इज. तो वीक के अंदर वी यूज व्हाट, वी यूज कॉटन, राइट. सो वेयर डू वी यूज कॉटन? वी यूज इट इन द वीक, इन द ऑयल लैम्प्स. वेयर एल्स वी यूज कॉटन? वी यूज कॉटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फिलर्स. फिलर्स मतलब भरने के लिए, कहाँ भरने के लिए काम आता है? तो यू मस्ट हैव सीन वी यूज फिलर्स, वी यूज कॉटन्स इन फिलिंग द पिलो, इन फिलिंग मैट्रेसेस. मैट्रेसेस मतलब गद्दी, राइट. वेयर एल्स वी यूज कॉटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फिलर्स इन क्विल्ट्स एज वेल. क्विल्ट्स मतलब रजाई. रजाई के अंदर भी यू मस्ट बी नोइंग, लाइक वी यूज कॉटन्स, राइट, टू इन ऑर्डर टू फिल दैट quilt. So these are the ways where we generally use cotton apart from cotton as a cloth, right? We generally use cotton as a cloth, but these are what, pillow and quilt, where we use cotton as in the form of fillers, right? And along with that, oil lamps we use cotton wick in oil lamps, right? So there are the uses how where we use cotton, right? We will be now discussing from where do we get cotton. We get cotton from cotton plants. Cotton plants we get cotton. Okay, which part of the cotton plant do we get? As we have discussed in first chapter, right, components of food, that different parts have been used as food. So here also it is not like whole plant we will get cotton. We'll get cotton from a particular part of the plant only. So which part of the plant do we get cotton? We get from the fruit of the cotton plant. We get cotton, and that too with fruit of cotton is called cotton bolls. Those are called cotton bolls. So when do the food forms? The food is formed when you grow plant. Once the plant starts flowering, flowers are obtained, then flowers will convert into fruit. Okay, so flowers, when they are converting into fruits, those are called cotton bolls. And when the cotton bolls are there, this is lemon sized cotton bolls are there. Those bolls, when they burst, once they mature हो गए तो obviously अंदर क्या होगा, they keep on increasing size, right? But after that what happens, they will burst. So you will see that there is a cotton spreading all over around where it has gone bursting, right? So fruit के आजू बाजू पूरा क्या हो जाता है, कॉटन हो जाता है. And it is slightly moisture, उसके अंदर क्या होता है, थोड़ा moisture होगा, okay, थोड़ा गीला रहेगा. So in the presence of the air, in presence of air, it will get dry up. Once it gets dry up, harvesting is being done. Harvesting मतलब collecting the cotton from the fruit, that is cotton balls, is done, right? So this was how do we get cotton fiber, right? But what are things we are going to do? We are going to see the in what climate are they prepared. So in warm climate they are grown. What? Cotton fibers are generally grown in warm climate and in black soil. Okay, in black soil it has been grown. Why? Because the minerals that are required for the cotton to grow, they are what? They are present in black soil. So black soil under warm condition, what? Cotton plants are grown, right? So this is how we obtain cotton. How? We grow it in warm weather and black soil, right? Along with that, from where do we get cotton fiber? We get cotton fiber from cotton plant. Cotton plant, which part of the cotton plant do we use as fiber? So fruit part of the cotton plant, which is called cotton bolls. Okay, when they get mature, they get burst, right? And after bursting, what they will have? What we will harvest the cotton. Harvesting means collecting the cotton, right? So you have collected the cotton. Now the cotton that you are having, that is what? Cotton fiber. Cotton fiber you are having. Along with that, what you are having? You are having cotton seeds inside that, right? Because fruit है, fruits के अंदर क्या होगा? Seeds भी होंगे along with the fiber. So fiber and cotton seeds are there, right? So cotton seeds now I have to separate from cotton fiber. Okay, what I want to separate? I want to separate cotton seeds and cotton fibers, because मेरा purpose क्या है अभी? मेरे को cotton fiber चाहिए. So how do I separate? So there is a process called ginning. What? By ginning, okay, by ginning of cotton, you can separate cotton fiber and seeds, right? So this is how. So what is ginning? Ginning is what? It is a process in which the cotton fiber and cotton seeds are separated, okay, with the help of a device called combine. Okay, so ginning, what? It is a process of separating cotton fibers from seeds, right, by combining, is called ginning. So that is all about how do we obtain cotton fibers. The next plant fiber that we are going to discuss is jute. Okay, the next plant fiber that we are going to discuss, that is jute fiber. Okay, so what is jute fiber? How do we? Same things we will be discussing here. Okay, from where do we get jute fiber? Okay, so again as we know that this is a plant fiber. जूट भी अगेन क्या है? एक प्लांट फाइबर है, राइट? जूट इज ऑल्सो वन टाइप ऑफ प्लांट फाइबर. सो फ्रॉम वेयर डू वी गेट ऑब्टेन? वी ऑब्टेन इट फ्रॉम जूट plant. Which part of the jute plant do we get jute fiber? We get it from stem. कॉटन में हमको कहाँ से मिलता था? फ्रॉम फ्रूट. एंड हियर वी ऑब्टेन जूट फाइबर फ्रॉम द स्टेम, राइट? सो अगेन द सेम थिंग्स, लाइक इन विच कंडीशंस इट इज ग्रोन? इट इज जनरली ग्रोन इन रेनी सीजन्स, राइट? इट इज जनरली ग्रोन इन रेनी सीजन्स. ठीक है. what are the states that are where jute are grown in very large quantity amount, right? Those are Bihar, West Bengal and Assam. These are the states from where what jute plant are grown in large amount in order to prepare jute fibers, right? Okay, so what else we need? Stem. From the stem we get. So when do we harvest this? When the plants are grown. So हमको कब स्टेम में से फाइबर्स को कलेक्ट करना है? When we have to cut the stem and from how do we get jute, right? So these are grown. When they are grown, when the flowering stage comes, flowering stage means जब प्लांट पे फ्लावर्स आना शुरू हो जाते हैं, राइट? सो दैट इज व्हाट ड्यूरिंग द फ्लावरिंग स्टेज, राइट? व्हेन द flowering stage means when the flowers are starting, okay, when starts to grow, okay, when the flowers starts to grow, what at that time harvesting is done. मतलब क्या करेंगे, फिर प्लांट को काट देंगे, उनमें से क्या करेंगे, स्टेम्स है, स्टेम्स को कट करके क्या करेंगे, स्टेम्स को कट करके दे आर इमर्स्ड इन वाटर, दे आर इमर्स्ड इन वाटर, ओके, उनको क्या करा जाता है, पानी में डुबाया जाता है, ओके, दे आर इमर्स्ड इन वाटर फॉर फ्यू डेज, राइट? आफ्टर फ्यू डेज what they will start getting rot, stem will what it will start getting rot मतलब सड़ना, राइट? काफी टाइम से अगर हम देखो कि पानी में भी हमारे हाथ पांव रहते हैं स्विमिंग में जनरली, तो वी क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पर झरे आने लग जाती है, राइट? दैट इज व्हाट, थोड़ा थोड़ा क्या होता है, पानी अंदर भर जाता है, तो धीरे धीरे दे स्टार्ट गेटिंग व्हाट गेटिंग डिटोरिएटेड, मतलब सड़ना थोड़ा शुरू हो जाता है, राइट? स्किन में इतना इफेक्ट नहीं होता पानी का, बट स्टेम जो अदर मैनी डिफरेंट मटेरियल्स व्हाट दे स्टार्ट गेटिंग रॉटन, क्योंकि फ्यू डेज है, हम तो फ्यू आवर्स के लिए रुकते हैं, दिस इज फॉर फ्यू डेज, अगर काफ़ी दिनों तक इसको रहेगा स्टेम में तो क्या होगी, इट विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग रॉट होना शुरू हो जाएगा, तो क्या हो जाएगा, उसके बाद उनको हम हाथ से ऐसे मूव करेंगे तो व्हाट विल हैपन, द जूट फाइबर्स विल स्टार्ट सेपरेट, व्हाट विल हैपन, सेपरेशन ऑफ okay, fibers separated, okay, by the help of hand. अब हैंड हम यूज करेंगे, हम हाथ से क्या करेंगे, सिर्फ स्टेम को ऐसे ऐसे मूव करेंगे पानी के अंदर, तो क्या हो गया, thin very small fibers will start getting separated, okay. So this is how we obtain the jute fiber. Jute fiber हमको मिल गई, और cotton fiber is what we have got. Now is how fibers are formed into yarn, right? yarn कैसे बनाते हैं हम, okay, the process that is spinning, by the process of spinning we can convert fiber into yarn. So what is spinning? Spinning is the process of making yarn from the fibers, okay. What is spinning? Spinning is the process of making yarn from fibers. और spinning किस तरह किया जाता है, it is done by two devices. One device is a takli, right? The one device is takli, and second device that you must be very familiar is चरखा, right? चरखा तो हमको काफी पता होगा, तकली you might not have seen, right? This is also a device where on which spinning is done, and from fiber we can convert fiber into yarn. Second is चरखा. चरखा क्या है, तो you must have seen, अगर मूवीज आपने देखी है गांधी जी की, right? During the moment of independence, right? अगर मूवीज देखी है, और if you heard, ठीक है, he always insisted कि हमको हमारे घर के मतलब हमारे इंडिया में जो फाइबर्स प्रिपेयर होती है, राइट, ग्रो होती है, उसमें से हम फाइबर्स बनाते हैं, उनके कपड़े पहनने चाहिए, रादर देन जो ब्रिटिश पीपल दैट टाइम दे वर रूलिंग, राइट? सो वो लोग क्या उनकी कंट्रीज में से कपड़े लाते थे और यहाँ पर सेल करते थे. सो ही ऑलवेज इंसिस्टेड कि भाई चरखा है एक डिवाइस जहाँ से क्या कर सकते हैं, हम यान बना सकते हैं, एंड फ्रॉम देयर वी कैन प्रिपेयर अ फैब्रिक, राइट? इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द how we can convert a yarn into fabric, right? And the history of clothing material in India, right? So thank you all students, have a nice day.